Are you new to woodworking and looking for woodworking projects, plans, tips, ideas, and more? Look no further. You will find out everything you need in the following video.
Hi, my name is Ted McGrath, and today I'm going to show you how you can build whatever DIY project you want without spending days or months looking for a plan or spending a fortune hiring someone to do it for you. It might sound crazy, but you'll see for yourself how you can build anything out of wood easily without a large workshop or expensive tools. In just a few short minutes, you'll get access to the world's largest collection of woodworking plans for every type of project imaginable. Just a bit of fair warning, I can only leave this presentation up for a limited time. I had to agree to limit how many people I reveal this resource to, so this may be the only time you're ever able to access this. So stop whatever you're doing right now and pay close attention. If you've worked on any project, you're most likely aware of the time and effort required for it, and it can get frustrating. I'm talking about times when you have to wing it or follow.
So, what are you waiting for? Take action now and enjoy your friends' compliments.